Hi, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. It's actually really easy. This is called a cootie catcher, or some may also know it as a fortune teller. So it's really easy to fold a cootie catcher, and what you're going to do is you just have it face up where all the graphics are, and you're going to be folding all four corners. So you have the guides there, and you're just folding it right to that star in the middle. So just following along the guides. Now this particular step you don't have to do, but I like to do just because of the guides. So then I just unfold it now that I have the creases, and I put it upside down where it's blank. Now if you wanted to, you could start as this is your first step, but again, I like to have the guides. So then I just fold it right there. So I already have the creases, so it's nice and easy. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it on this side, and again I have those guides again, and we're going to do the four corners again. So we go right into the middle, and folding them up. All right, so then you have this part. I like to just fold it in half to get it nice and creased again, and fold it in half again to get those creases in there. It just keeps it nice and sturdy. So then you unfold it, and you have four pockets right here. So you're sticking your fingers, four fingers, in those pockets, and then you're forming the pockets just like this. So I just kind of take my hand, and there we go. All right, so then you have your cootie catcher, and I like to just take the bottoms here and just kind of crease them a little bit more so they stay really well. And then the students can pick the rhythm. If they pick a half note, for example, then they go 1, 2, and then pick the character inside, and then flip it up to see what that question for that character is. And they could ask each other the questions, or if they're doing it on their own, they could ask themselves the questions. So it's lots of fun. Students really love cootie catchers.